Good morning, everyone. It's Chris Linghamfelter with Robot Advisors. Today is the last day of LogiMAT. The sun is shining. We got great programs. I'm excited for today. I think you will be too, because we've got a lot of good content. We're going to check in, spend a lot of time this afternoon in Hall 6 with those AMR vendors. Of course, we have the last award winner to check in with. That's the Best Product in Sustainability Award, so I'm excited for that. So as always, folks, follow us on LinkedIn so you don't miss any of our content. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we've just launched on Instagram. Get ready for the last day. I'm not gonna lie, I'm ready for this to be the last day, but there's still a lot to do. Come with me. So I'm here with Dennis Ramos, who is responsible for AGV systems at BITO. And I wanted to first off introduce our viewers to who BITO is.
So we're one of the leading suppliers of racking, storage systems, and also bins in Europe. Okay. We have also international activities, so it's not only restricted to Europe. And obviously, as you just said, my role is to introduce a third or fourth playing ground with the AGVs. Yeah.
Your product family with the AGVs are called Leo, and there's a new Leo who was just born this week.
What we unveiled is a Leo Flow with the scissor lift, which can now drop to flow rack. So we can have drop to 3 levels, up to 1,150 millimeters currently, but we're still working on a higher height. And that actually closes the loop of BITO bins and shelves and really marries them together. Yeah. Exactly.
Well, Dennis, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate your time, and good luck with the rest of the show.
Yes, thank you very much.
I'm here with Sjoerd Visser, who is with Lowpad, Director of Business Development. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
We had a chance to check in last year with you guys, but you have a new product to share with us.
Yeah, definitely.
The F version.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
That's the Lowpad F.
Lowpad F, okay.
You see it behind you. Lowpad F is designed for carrying all types of pallets. And I think especially for the US market,
okay,
it's a very cool product.
So what makes it so cool?
Because it can also carry the closed pallets, like
okay.
Stranger pallets you have in the US. It can carry these pallets without the counterbalance. So it's a very small, compact AMR.
Anything else we should know about Lowpad or the Lowpad F?
The Lowpad F is an omnidirectional vehicle. It's very easy then to adjust to the orientation of the pallet.
So if the pallet is really crooked, someone took it off receiving or something and it's very crooked, you can adjust, and that's done all automatically by the vision system?
Yeah, we check the contours of the pallet, see what orientation is, adjust to it, drives into the pallet, lift it up and move it away.
Well, Sjoerd, thank you so much. I really appreciate the update on Lowpad.
Yeah, my pleasure.
And we'll look for the Tennessee office opening soon.
Yeah, sure.
All right,
okay.
Take care. Bye-bye. I'm with Frederik Brantner, who's founder and CEO of a very innovative company called Magazino. So I think with your first robot, you guys invented this idea of now everyone's calling it a backpack, where I'm taking stuff on board and bringing it around with you. And I see it all the different companies are adopting the backpack. Do you call it a backpack?
We also call it a backpack.
Okay, all right. So let's show people exactly what we're talking about. Can we take a look?
This would be a sink. So of course, usually it's way bigger and there's more totes. But the robot is capable of handing them over on the one side, and then the worker can work on the other side. The robot can work with the smallest totes, something like this. Also the very big totes, we can just see it going in a second. And we can also turn them around, which is really important because the humans working here don't want to go that deep in, so they prefer the tote, for example, that they're on.
So you can change the orientation of the tote when you're putting it into the location.
When a tote is placed somewhere down here, it's blocking the...
So you're intentionally creating an error condition to show that it knows, oh, something's wrong. Yeah. And that's when we saw this message over here. And people didn't see it, but you changed the language for me to English.
Yes, exactly.
So I could understand that it says target compartment blocked. Excellent. Well, Frederik, I always learn something when I spend time with you. And good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Alrighty. I'm here with Victor, who started this company called WAKU Robotics. Victor, what does the company do? And well, first off, what's the business need? Why did you start this company, WAKU Robotics?
The reason I started the company is I worked for an e-commerce company, Zalando.
The shoe company.
Yes, absolutely. I mean,
yeah.
fashion. And we introduced a lot of robotic systems.
Sure,
and,
including Magazino at one point, right?
Including Magazino, including Grey Orange, and a number of other systems. And I learned the hard way how difficult it is to implement robots and how difficult it is to run robots.
It's not difficult. They implement themselves, right? They're robots.
You would think so, like that is where we want to get to, and that's why we founded WAKU Robotics, to make it super easy to find robots, to implement robots. And so our whole business is based on facilitating the end customer adopting robots and the robot provider selling robots, so to say.
So Victor, do you have any customers or installations in the US or plans for the North American market?
Yeah, so we do partner with OEMs, as mentioned, and so we are also present in the US.
Awesome, Victor. Thank you very much.
I
like your solution. It's good to chat with you. Good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Alrighty. I'm with Nils Bieler, who runs sales for flexlog, and we have never interviewed flexlog before, so before we talk about what it is, tell us a little bit about the company.
Yeah, we are a company, we are now, let's say for 12, 13 years we are in the market now, and we make software and components for intralogistic market.
Okay.
And what I present you today is our new component, our Flexbox 2.
And you were telling me that it can go in all different kinds of profiles.
Yeah, exactly. We have a very small component that we brought out here, and it really fits in every type of profile that you want. You can just set it in, click it in, and you're ready to go.
And tell me, just the ergonomics of it or the profile of it is not the only advantage. You were saying it's the only one with a switch on board?
Yeah, right now this is the only component on the market in this field that has a switch on it, and we can split the network. And it's very, very effective for example, Profinet and stuff like that. It's way easier to make the connection and the network working on the one hand, and you can solve a lot of problems with it.
Well, Nils, thank you very much for the introduction to flexlog.
It was a pleasure.
I appreciate it, and good luck with the new product. I'm here with Fabian Marzinzik, who is the Manager of Sales and Marketing for carrybots. I'm excited to learn about them. We've never interviewed carrybots before. So Fabian, let's start off. Tell me a little bit about the company, where you're based, and why was this company started?
Yeah, we are a joint venture of two bigger companies. One is flexlog right behind me, and the other one is Schubert Packaging Machines. They founded us as carrybots because they see the need of transport automation in also their application, and have a lot of application where they already integrated our solution.
Let's talk about the products. Tell me, it looks like we have an AMR here.
Yeah, actually it's an HEV, so we have a line guided system.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're combining reliable and robust technologies with high-end software solutions. So that's basically our sweet spot, that we take simple technology and combine it with our software. We are primarily a software company receiving our hardware components from Gepard and our electronic components from flexlog, and our focus is on the software and also on the integration and marketing of the system.
Well, Fabian, thank you very much for the introduction to the product and the company.
Yes.
Good luck with the rest of your time in Stuttgart, and you have to let us know when you're coming to North America.
Yeah, I will definitely let you know.
All righty, bye-bye. I'm here with Stefan Dörr, who's the founder and CEO of a company called Node. And we haven't interviewed you before, Stefan, so I'm very keen to hear about the company and your products and how you bring it all together for folks in their warehouse. So Tell me, what made you start Node?
So we are from a research institute, Fraunhofer, where we started looking into really a broad range of different robotics use cases, service robotics, from window cleaning to vacuum cleaning to milk cowing to actually heavy load forklifts.
Okay.
And our pain point was to develop a software stack that you can use for all these different projects, because we didn't have time to actually build something specific. And from that, we took the idea of building something really hardware agnostic that has its core functionality, but you can easily configure it for the right application.
Thanks for sharing, Christian, a node with us. Really appreciate it. And you guys are in Hall 6. All right.
Thank you very much for having me.
Our pleasure.
It was a pleasure.
Thank you. Good luck. I'm here with Florian Ernst from ECEON, a company that has some pallet moving technology, quite clever. But first, since we haven't interviewed ECEON before, tell us a little bit about the company and what made you start such an interesting company.
We develop a new generation of robotics, specifically new in a generation in terms of being much more flexible and easier to use. Easier to use, you don't need to change anything of your existing infrastructure, you can use the robots right away. We even say the integration can take place in 10 to 15 minutes. So we're basically using a new type of sensor technology that maps the entire warehouse in a sense where the robot basically moves. So you have a digital twin of your warehouse, and based on that the robot basically moves autonomously. Primarily we're solving that problem of truck loading and unloading. It's one of currently still the hardest problem to solve, because it has so many different variables, so many complexities. And this is primarily where we spent a lot of time with a lot of smart people on there to really find and build a new sensor system based on advanced machine learning to detect all those pallets and to move the pallets accurately depending on the use case of the truck loading and unloading.
Hey Florian,
it was a
nice
pleasure.
to meet you. Good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Thank you for the introduction to the company and to your product. Okay, I am here with that last award winner that I promised you we would interview. This is André Warth. He is head of Germany for CMC Packaging. CMC is an Italian company.
Yes.
So first off, congratulations. This is a really big honor.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
But let's start with, tell us a little bit about CMC.
Yes. CMC is, as he said, an Italian company. We are based in Umbria. It's a company established 1980 by the family Ponti. Still in the company, the family, not alone. So we are part of the KKR group, a US-based group, finance group, and a small part is all from the Amazon pledge form.
So tell us about the innovation itself.
Yes.
What does it do?
It's both on demand, it's box on demand and envelope on demand. That means if an article has the height for a box, we will produce a box around the article. If an article like a book or a piece of paper, we produce an envelope, so with less height. Every article will measure height, length and width.
Okay.
And then the machine knows what kind of cardboard we have to use, and then the machine decides which size of box we produce.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, André. Thank you for the introduction. It's fantastic. We all certainly love the sustainability, everything you're doing to help protect the planet.
Thank you very much.
And congratulations on this one more time.
Thank you again.
Alrighty.
Thanks.
Bye-bye. Wow, what a week here in Stuttgart, Germany. LogiMAT 2024 was fantastic to meet up with old friends, see a lot of really clever new technology. I hope that you enjoyed our videos. Comment and let us know. For the team, myself, Chris Lingenfelter, and the Robot Advisors team, our next event is going to be Automate in Chicago, Illinois, May 6th through 9th. So I hope you can see us there. But for now, from Stuttgart, it's Chris saying, Auf Wiedersehen and Bis später.